We're going to be disassembling and assembling the glove box on all Ram models. We're going to go ahead and start off by removing this pulley on the side, releasing that and letting it go. Then we're going to go ahead and create pressure inwards on both sides, as you can see here, and simply remove. Now we're going to go ahead and put it all back together. We're going to start off by pulling our pulley out and then aligning our bottom 4 elbow tabs on the bottom. Make sure those go in. Then we're going to go ahead and push inward, keeping hold of our pulley from the side. Now that that's in, we're going to go ahead and align our pulley into the hole and slide it back. As you can see here, push it in. We're going to go ahead and open our glove box and make sure that the pulley system is working correctly, and we are good to go.